Shalum, sister in the Emunah. Breathe deeply. Today, we celebrate and strengthen the Qadash bonds that connect us. We are not isolated. We are one body, one family, united in our love for Yahuwah and our purpose in Yasharal. Speak each affirmation clearly, from a place of loyalty and loving strength, daily for 21 days, to fortify your Ruah in true covenant sisterhood. 1. I am my sister's keeper. Her burdens are my burdens, and her victories are my victories. 2. I choose to see my sisters through the eyes of compassion, overlooking offenses and seeking understanding. 3. There is no division among us. We are one body, united in the name of Yahuwah, strong and unyielding. 4. I will speak to build up my sisters, that my words may bring favor and strength to their lives. 5. In unity, there is Yahuwah's commanded barakah. I actively pursue Shalum with my sisters. 6. I stand shoulder to shoulder with my sisters, a strong and unbroken wall of Emunah, protective and solid. 7. The love I have for my sisters is the proof to the world that I am a disciple of Yahusha. 8. I am quick to forgive my sister, for in forgiving, I break the enemy's power to divide us. 9. Together, we are stronger. Together, we can overcome any obstacle the enemy places before us. 10. My sister and I are one. What harms her harms me, and what strengthens her strengthens all of Yasharal. Breathe deeply. Now speak these truths daily and forge unbreakable bonds. Overcome the enemy's strategy of isolation with intentional unity, day after day. Shalum, Yasharal. Barak YAHUAH